mean, I'm giving guys an option. We can do motivation, family, comedy. Scary movie is really the in thing due to the fact that it's October right now, and it's kind of fun. I weet nie wat om te sê nie. Oh, Engels. I don't know what to say. This has become so real for me. Scary movie is a new type of genre for me. Not that I'm really interested in the whole scary movie, but I've done a lot of research, and the research has kind of freaked me out. So the reason why it's freaking me out is because it's so real. It's biggest real. The spiritual realm is real, and if you don't believe it, maybe a shock therapy will. Luister nou hierna. Are you recording?
Recording.
When are they coming? Wanneer gaan hulle kom? Didi. Okay. Okay, so this is an exclusive behind the scenes footage of, well, the actual film that we're going to shoot. Oh, Caleb already smashed the light there. Thank you so much, Caleb.
Smash.
So, you're back now.
Sorry,
So he's
yeah.
building the set. Tristan's already got the makeup test by the makeup lady. I wanted to bring a Halloween type of scenario in because Halloween is real, and I know what you guys are gonna say. It's there's nothing scary about Halloween. It's all for fun and all games. No, it's not. It's actually kind of scary what's happening.
No, it's really just for the fun. It's just for fun of it.
My guy, have you? No, dude. Dude. Come have a look here.
It's just for the fun, man.
Sorry. Halloween to discover, reaches inside to touch the darkness. No, dude, you can't know. Look at no, dude. I thought you was like gonna be on. No, don't do that.
Sorry.
not watch on Halloween. For the love of all that is good in this world.
Mike, you scared me.
I scared you! You're the one standing here with a light beneath your eyes and a knife in your hand.
Why wasn't the light switched on?
Dylan, really? What are you two doing here anyway?
You said you wanted to come in earlier to spend some time with God. So we just came in to set up. Then I got hungry.
He's always hungry around this time. Just look at him.
You calling me fat?
No, you just did.
No, I didn't.
You should.
Gee, thanks guys. I really feel welcome in this church.
Well, now that I know it's you two, I've got things to do.
Want something to eat?
Diane, isn't it still your bedtime?
Mike, are you at the church?
Why do you ask?
Are you at the church?
Yes, why? What's wrong?
It wasn't my idea. I thought...
Well, calm down. Take a deep breath. Now tell me, what happened?
Did you watch it?
Watch what, the video?
Yes. Stay there. Don't look.
Mike, you want a sandwich?
No, I'm alright, thank you. Why would she? Thank you.
You must serve your Lord Carlo. You must serve your Lord Carlo.
Whoa, Pastor, whoa. In there.
God, command that these stones be made bread. But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God. Then the devil taketh him up into the holy city, and setteth him on a pinnacle of the temple, and said unto him, If thou be the Son of God.
I found the audio Bible playing on your phone.
What? No. You don't understand. I was standing right here, and this thing, it was on the desk, and it screamed into my ear.
Sounds like Halloween stuff.
What?
Halloween? Last night? The night of the dead.
I know what it means. And people who think it's a night where they can just go out and party, they've got another thing coming. They are sorely mistaken.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, Hank, Hank! Hank, you saw this thing. Please come here.
Who's Hank?
Hank, Hank and Dylan. Hank, please. We were just in the kitchen talking.
There's no one here by the name of Hank or Dylan.
But I was just in the kitchen talking to them.
Mike, they are high school buddies. They passed away, remember? Let me show you. You know what this means?
It's a familiar spirit.
No, man. I can't deal with this. You know my body and stress. Like, I'm gonna go take a dump.
Dude, hurry up. Dweeb. Flip, now I have to open the door for you as well. Come. Relax. This is a church. You're not going to see any of your freaky ass stuff here.
Sorry, guys. I heard what he said and I just couldn't resist.
Hey, you okay, dude? It's just a joke.
I'll do. Come on, I don't have all day.
Weirdo.
I'll do.
Thanks for seeing us again today, Pastor.
Come. Let's have a seat. Please, sit down. I hear you've been having nightmares.
Yes. He says he keeps having nightmares about a blindfolded man in a straitjacket, with blood dripping from his mouth, apparently.
And how long ago did this start?
He said about 3 days before Saints' evening. I don't really know what the hell that is.
Interesting.
Why?
Well, we don't know it as that. Basically, as a verb, it means to sanctify. As a noun, a holy person or a saint, if you will. You see, there's a 3-day observance where the time of year they celebrate those who have died. We know it better as Halloween.
I don't know if it's it looks like it's recording. Focus in. Okay, guys, I needed to stop it right here. All right, now the following incident you're gonna see, it's stage makeup. It's a makeup thing, so don't get freaked out. But I need to give you context before anything starts. Hi, my angel. Come sit over here. Can't you sleep? Well, what's wrong? Do you have any nightmares?
Yes.
Did you watch any scary movies? What's scary? Why do you watch scary movies? You know that it opens up doors. You can't do that. What nightmares are you getting?
But an old man keeps looking at me.
An old man. And you know that old man can't hurt you, right? Okay, so go back to mommy. I'm gonna finish up here. Go back to mommy and I'll see you just now, okay? Shame. My sister stays for the weekend. Chrissy, shame, she's very cute. So, coming back to the following scene. So, it's a fake scene, so don't stress out. We wanted to over-dramatize it, but it's a real event. And I wanted to showcase you what actually happens with like a religious spirit. So, hope you guys like it. Cheers.
We know it better as Halloween.
Tell me, please. Priest or unseen, have you ever been so lonely?
I'm sure we all have.
I'm talking about you, priest. Your performance, guys, is sickening. How does it feel to choke in your own blood? That is the life and death you are speaking.
Why are you cutting again? This is the 5th flippin' take. Why are we cutting again? There was absolutely nothing wrong with this. You know what? I cannot work like this. If you guys are going to stuff around and waste my time, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not interested.
First of all, who switched the radio on?
It's a prop. It doesn't work. It's a prop. How can it be switched on?
Okay, so who switched the radio on?
It's a prop. It doesn't work.
Okay, guys, I think
Just go call him.
guys, I think it's a wrap. There's a lot of weird stuff happening at this moment, and you can always reshoot it.
I understand what you're saying, but I have to reshoot.
Guys, we're gonna cut. I'm directing.
We don't even. Okay.
It's a cut. Hold it. Okay, guys, it's a wrap. Continuity, script, file, audio dump.
Please get out of these clothes. I'm gonna start scaring myself with this pale white face, please.
Back up all drives, guys.
It's a wrap, eh?
Alright, strike lights, please.
Hierdie hele dag raak 'n bietjie freaky. Eerste plek, die hek kon nie opgaan nie. Radio speel van self. Kameras wil nie werk nie. Vir die afgelope 2 dae kan ek nie slaap nie. Ek is in my glory inboeg. Weet dit nie, ek het navorsing oor die hele movie.
Maar wat zijn navorsing?
Hierdie movie, al die goedes wat ons nou eintlik gedoen het, is reëel. Die akteurs dinge wat het opgemaak, dis reëel.
Nee.
En wat is hier? Dude. So basically what this film boils down to is some freaky film. I mean, from familiar spirits to religious spirits. I just needed to stop it. It just started getting too hectic. I mean, a lot of people think Halloween is just like a fun thing, but it's not. It's actually something really hectic, especially into the spiritual realm. But I'm not going to go into technical stuff. I mean, it goes too deep. Oh, my baby. You're having nightmares. Are you watching that scary movies again?
But my friends are doing it.
Yeah, but you know better. Okay? You know that stuff is not... You know what the results is. Okay, so get in bed. I'll be there right now, okay?
Okay, maak nie saak nie.
Hard the deur om. Right. Wait for it to loft. Okay.
Okay, reg?
Gave me such a fright, Mike.
I gave you a fright. You're the one standing there with a light beneath your face and a knife in your hand.
And why wasn't the light switched on?
Really, Helen?
And action. Let's do it. Wait, I'm still rolling.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just net ons kan nou besig raak. Okay.
Dumbass.
Okay. Okay.
You're breaking character, man. You're breaking character here. Sorry.
Okay. Quiet and sing. And
action.
You're in the door frame, Pastor. And action. Go.
Yeah. And ready. Rolling.
Okay.
Where's my peanut butter?
Okay. Ek weet nie, ons gaan nie dit sien nie.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Go. And you chat. Oh my lord, you got a fright. Oh, you got me a fright. It was wacht klaar. Wat is gewoon audio.
Feel.
Okay, ouens. Dit gaan het moeilijk maak vir my. Jy laat maak. Stop it.
You're breaking character here. Come on.
Okay, and go for it.
Okay, you gave me a fright. And action.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Gee, thanks, guys. I really feel welcome in this church.
Well,
Sorry, okay. Moenie klap nie, moenie klap nie. Moenie dit, dis is soos weer net soos 'n God, dit was soos 'n dit maar moenie swem nie. Okay, ons gaan van dit af.
What? The video?
Yes. Just stay there and don't look.
Now, why would she?
Okay. Movie. Go.
What are we shooting?
Don't ever eat McDonald's on set. It'll make you fat. Too late.
Okay, John, van hier af. Call it 9, take 1, take 1.
You know what this means?
A familiar spirit.
Nah, I can't deal with this. Now, you know me and stress, man. Nah, I'm gonna take a dump. Oh.
That's the food sitting, guys. Give them a fright. Hank, do you like that camera?
Yep, pretty much.
Ja, so die weer na die koor. Weet nie of dit moeilik gewees het.
So how do you guys like the movie so far?
I don't know, what do you guys think?
I like it.
It was long, tiring.
Long,
Especially
tiring.
today,
You didn't
yeah.
do anything, what are you talking about? No, it was hectic, especially like yesterday. I mean,
Yeah.
the stuff's real. That's the thing, the stuff's real.
You joking?
Real.
Real, dis regtig.
Nee man, jy joke.
Dit is ernstig, hierdie goed is, my pa deel met hierdie goeders op 'n weeklikse basis.
It's no jokes.
Ja.
Everything with the blood and
Everything, it was a compile of stories compiled together. Yeah. People don't know it, obviously because it's a story structure, but everything is real, dude.
But was it stuff that happened like recently, or was it back in?
The scene with the old man, happened recently.
when
The
was
other
that?
one happened 25 years ago.
Which
And,
one?
the one with the religious side, the religious demon type of thing.
Yeah.
It happened 25 years ago in Randburg.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the only thing that we changed is the priest and the pastor.
Yeah.
Because obviously I need to protect the client's confidentiality. And my dad didn't want to tell me the full story because he swore an oath not to do anything like that.
No.
So weird. But yeah.
Hectic.
Stuff, word.
Oh my word.
My face is literally falling apart, so I'm just gonna go wash this white stuff off my face.
Uh.
Alright, it's new.
Ja, we gaan record hom as hy gies aan was.
Okay.
Gaan record hom.
So this is the changing room, guys. Here we
Is what I'm all about.
Dude, Hank, come on, man. What was that? Can I finish? Are we done?
Wasn't me, man.
Sure.
Nee.
What was that?
I don't know, man. That thing's moving, man.
I'm gonna just get out of here.
Yeah, ek jump. Ek sê